Okay, this next game is one of my favorite games. This is called What's Inside the Jack-in-the-Box. Do you know what a Jack-in-the-Box is? Have you ever seen one? You have? So it's a little box, and guess what happens? You turn the crank. Let me see you turn it. Can you practice turning the crank? We're gonna turn it, and then it goes pop. You say pop. Now, sometimes there's a fun doll inside, or an animal friend, or a clown. Something silly pops out when we turn the crank. Well, guess what, friends? Today, you get to be the animal inside the box. So everybody hide with me. Ready? Hide. Toby, can you hide? We're hiding and we're sleeping. And when the music starts, we're going to wake up and show me how you turn the crank. Go. Can you turn the crank? Let me see. Wake up and turn the crank. And I want to see you pop. Ready? Pop. And whatever animal they say on the song, you turn into that animal. And we dance around. And then guess what? I'm going to say, hide back in your Jack-in-the-Box. Show me how you hide. 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 And we go back to sleep. Very good. And then we do it again. Are you ready to play? Yes? Oh, good job. Toby's ready. Okay, here we go. With the music, we're sleeping in the Jack-in-the-Box. And we're still sleeping. We're hiding. And now we wake up. What's inside the Jack-in-the-Box? Soon we all shall see. Ready? Turn the crank. Let me see. Turn the crank. And out it jumps. Go pop. Pop goes. We're ponies. Show me your ponies. Yeah, ponies. Good ponies. And guess what? It's time to hide. Hide. Everybody hide. Hurry. Hide. Good job. We're hiding. We're sleeping. And get ready to hear the next animal friend. Ready? Wake up and sing what's inside the Jack-in-the-Box. Soon we all shall see. Turn the crank. Ready, go. Turn the crank. And out it jumps. Big pop. Pop goes. It's the blue jay, the birdie. Tweet, tweet. Show me your birdie wings. Tweet, tweet. Can you say tweet, tweet? Tweet, tweet. Beautiful birdie wings, Toby. Good job. And hide. Hide! Good job! We're hiding, we're sleeping. I have a feeling this next one is going to be a slow poke, and we're going to have to go slowly. Do you know what is green and moves slow? A turtle. Ready? And sing what's inside super slow. The box. Soon we all shall see. Can you turn the crank super slow? Turn the crank, good job. And out it jumps, slow pop. Pop goes the turtle. How do turtles move? Show me your turtle. They're slow. They go so slow. Good job. Good turtle. Hey, what happened to my turtle? I'm ready. And we hide. Now guess what? This next one is going to be a little bit silly because instead of slow, it's going to be super duper fast. It's going to be a bunny rabbit really fast. Are you ready? This is the silly one. Here we go. We're going to go fast. And wake up and dance fast. Dance. Good job. What's inside the Jack-in-the-Box? Soon we all shall see. Turn the crank. Turn the crank. Fast, fast, fast. Up goes the rabbit. Jump. Let me see. Jump, 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 jump. Good job. Jump and jump and jump and jump and hide. Yay! Good job. That was awesome.